Alright, I'm going to take this opportunity to show you how to do search with the new SCAP program that will be downloaded soon. It's a very simple process. The menu structure is very simple. The search structure is very simple once you get used to it. Let's go and let's do a search for some motels. We'll start by opening the search form, our first option. And you'll notice that within the search form it immediately pulls up all the records. Right now we have 506 records within this database. No particular order. We want to search for motels that are in, say, the south central, southeast, or maybe the northeast region of Kansas that's within our database. So we want to narrow that search a little bit. So the first thing we'll do is we'll click on our region area. Just click in there. Go up here till you see filter, which is a part of your access function. And you'll see that you have options here. We're divided into north central, northeast, south central, southeast, southwest. Right now all are selected. Let's clear that. And let's just click on northeast, south central, and southeast. We don't want to deal with the north central or the southwest at this point. So that cuts our count down to 317. Now we want to limit it to motels. So we'll go into the used as field or built as field. I recommend the used as. Simply click in there. Again, click on filter, clear all of it, and go down till you find motels. You've got option of motels that are franchised and motels that are non-franchised. We'll take both. We'll click OK. Now we're down to 14 sales. Now what we're looking for may be something that would be a major hotel, probably a franchise change. So let's decide that we're going to only look for motels that have sold for more than $1 million. You can simply go up to the adjusted sales price or the sales price if you want. Again, click on filter. And you'll see that all the sales prices are listed here. Let's clear that again. And let's click on number filters. And you'll see it says equals to, does not equal to, less than or greater than or between. Let's take greater than. And we're going to just enter $1 million in here. Okay, we're down to 4 sales. Now we can start looking at our sales. We've got a little quick review field here that summarizes it very quickly. This one sold for $2.266 million. It was an open market sale. Sold for $40.89 a square foot. If you want a little more information, you can look over here and see that it was 81 units and built in 1981. Looks like something we might be interested in, but we may want to see a picture of it. So we can click on our photo link here. Take just a minute to pop up. And there's our photo. We decide this is something we're interested in and we want to make a copy of this picture. All you have to do is right click on the picture. You can either save the picture as a file on your computer. You can even email this picture if you want to, or you can print this picture directly. Let's say you want to save that to your computer for later use. It saves it with the file name that's currently on the web. Put it wherever you want to put it. Click Save. You have your picture for later reference. If you have more than one picture, you can click here and it pops back up as well. Alright, so we decided we want to use this cell for whatever reason. We're going to click the Print button here. Let's go look at our next cell. We look at this cell. Again, we look at our picture, pop it up. We decide we want this one as well. Our next cell. Get to looking at it, and it looks pretty good, but then we realize they're going to actually tear these buildings down. This is probably not going to help us a whole lot, so we're not going to save that cell. And we look at our last cell, 2.3 million, 82 units, Harvey County, open markets listed. Pop the picture up if we want to. Okay, decide we want that one. Again, right click it if you want to save the picture. And we decide we're going to use this cell as well, so we'll click on that. And that's our last cell, so we're through with that part of it. Let's say we want to print the data out on these 3 cells. When you click the check mark, you indicated you wanted to print these cells, so you simply take the printed selected sales options, and it pops up individual sales report on each property. Gives you the full data, and the price per square foot, and the price per unit. And you'll notice there's 3 records because we selected 3. print those at your discretion. Let's say you're doing more research and you want to put this in an Excel spreadsheet. You can also do that as well. You can save it to an Excel 2003 or previous version, which is an XLS version. Or you can save it to the 2007 Excel workbook as an XLSX. Simply click on that. We'll just click on one to give you an idea. Ask you what name you want to give it, where you want to send it to. I'll just click through that for the moment. And it brings up an Excel spreadsheet. You can format that any way you want to. Change the data, add data, delete, whatever you want to do in terms of your Excel spreadsheet. It will not affect the data in the database. If you're through with that analysis and you're not going to call it back up, you can simply click clear, check marks are gone, and you're ready to start your next search. You can print a summary report of all sales in the database by sale year. Let's say we want to look at 2007 through 2009. And it summarizes all of the sales by type. So for example, we have a number of apartment complex sales here, spread over multiple counties. And if we look at the statistics on it, we see that the average one is 14 units in size. It sells for $33.05 or $29,269 per unit. And it breaks that down into all the different categories. May be useful, may not, but it is something that you can look at. You can also do the same thing by a region if you want to type in a sale year range in a region. It does it also for an individual county. You can also print or produce a list of all sale and used as order. In other words, you see all of your apartment complexes together, all of your auto dealers together, so on and so on. And if you decide that you want to save this as an Excel document, you simply go up to External Data, click on Excel, and it gives you that option as to what format to save it in. And you can save it to Excel and do any kind of analysis you want to with it. Again, that data is yours on your computer. You can change anything, delete anything, add anything you want to at this point. It gives you a lot of great opportunities to do your own analysis. That is basically how that works. If you have any questions, give us a call. You'll see our number and our email down below. Hope this helps.